If our country has to progress and if our country wants a bright future, BJP is the only option. There is no other option. And BJP is the only party that will take you places. So Tamil Nadu also has to accept BJP, and they also have to accept that this is the only possible way to give their children and their upcoming generation a beautiful, a very, very reliable, stable future.
And will you take your iconic thing to make sure that...
Yes, definitely. I mean, if you see the list of the people who've been appointed this time, they've been given this particular post, they all have particular strength. So I'll make sure that we all use our strength maximum the way it can benefit not only for the party but also for the state.
And how are you going to penetrate here? Like, are you going to go for a public meeting or...
Definitely, I am going to be an absolutely active member of the party now, and whatever I need to do, whatever I need to sacrifice to be here and for the betterment of the state, for the Makkalan number, for my people here, I'll do it.
Was there any advice from the state president given you the question here, and is there any particular thing?
My question, when I joined the party itself, I told that I'm very interested in for farmers and for women empowerment. Already, if you can see, BJP is the only party which has 33% seats nominated for women, dedicated to women. So already BJP is doing quite a lot for women. So now my focus is very much going to be on farmers and animals, because I'm very passionate about both. So I'm going to pay attention, and I have already put some ideas forward to my state president Ji. And I've discussed with him and he is happy with it. So, let's see now how far I can take it.